learn about what is initialization block and what is static block in Java. This block is executed every time an instance of class is created and every time constructor is called. It is used to initialize instance variable of object. Here how it looks. This is class, my class name, and this is a initialization block. It don't have any name. It is always called when you create the object of the class. Rules of initialization block. Initialization block is always executed before any constructor. You can have more than one initialization block in a single class, and they are executed in a order in which they are defined in the class. If you have not done the constructor chaining, then the complete code of initialization block will be inserted into every constructor of your class as a first line. If you have done constructor chaining, then the complete code of initialization block will be inserted that constructor as a first line in which you have not used just as a first line. If you want to perform some common task in every constructor of your class, then put the code of that task in initialization block. Example, we have a class temp and a instance variable index. It has an initialization block which don't have any name, which is have a print statement first. Then we have a constructor which name is same as class name, which have print statement printing the statement message default. Then we have a second initialization block which have print statement and print the second message. Then we have a main method in which we create the object of the temp class. The constructor is called after executing this line. The constructor is called. In constructor, these two initialization block will be inserted by compiler. First, this line system.out.print first line come here. Then this line system.out.println second come here. Then this default line come here. This is done by compiler in background. This three system.out.println first and system.out.println second come inside the constructor, which is done by compiler. The output of the program is the first, second, and default. Now we are moving toward the static block. What is static block in Java? In Java, a static block, also known as a static initialization block, is a block of code enclosed within a braces, curly braces, and preceded by a static keyword. It is used to initialize static variable of a class or to perform any other static initialization task that need to be executed once when the class is first loaded into memory by JVM. I explain you in the normal language that static block will be executed only once in the life cycle of the program. It is executed before any static data member of the class. It is also executed before the main method of the class. The syntax of the static block is, we have a class, my class. This is a static block which have a static name, then curly braces. Rules of the static block. Static block is used to initialize static data member dynamically. Static block is always executed at the class loading time. If you want to perform any task once in life cycle of a class, then put the code of that task in static block. From JDK 1.7 onward, no class can be executed without a main method. Now we have an example of static block. We have a class temp which have a static data member int x. It has a static block which initialize the value of x from keyboard. We are in method we are printing the main line, but this line executed after this line because static data member executed before any static member of the class. First it will read the value from the keyboard, then this line will be executed. That's all about this static data member of the class or static initialization block of the class.